everybody, today we are going to make ginger chicken, and come, let's see what are the ingredients required to make ginger chicken. I have taken 700 grams of chicken. In that you have to marinate 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 1.5 tablespoons soya sauce, and juice of 1 lemon, and salt as required. Mix everything and marinate at least for 3 to 4 hours. Now we will put a kadai on the stove, and then we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. And then when the oil is hot, we will add the chicken first and then fry for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Oil is hot. Now we'll add just half a teaspoon of sugar so that it will come into a very good color. When the sugar starts melting, we will add the chicken pieces and then fry. The sugar has started melting. It's become brown in color. Now we'll add the Now after frying the chicken pieces, we have to take it out in a bowl. So we have to make a paste of 1 onion, 1 green chili according to your taste. If you like hot, you can add 2 to 3 green chilies, and 2 inches of ginger, and cut onions into small pieces. Now see, the chicken pieces have dried up. There is no more water. We will take this out in a bowl. See, it's completely dry. Now if you don't have lemon, you can add vinegar also while marinating the chicken. Now we take this out in a bowl, wash the kadai, and again put it on the stove. I have washed the kadai and put it on the stove. Now we'll add again 2 tablespoons of oil. When it gets hot, we will add the onions, which I have cut into small pieces. We will fry the onions till they are light golden brown. The onions, you see, it has turned light golden brown in color. Now we will add the ground masala. This is onion, ginger and green chili paste. raw smell of onion goes. Add a little bit of haldi, turmeric powder, not much, just a little bit, to give a little color. No need of adding chili powder because we have already added green chili in the paste. See, the masala is still being fried. It has to, the raw smell of onion has to go. Little more I have to fry, and then I'll add the chicken. The masala is done. You can see oil coming out. Now we'll add the chicken tenders. You must have seen I have not added salt because when I marinated the chicken I already added. Now we have to fry the chicken pieces with the paste. And then just add a little bit of water. Little more of water. Nicely. Now keep it in dim flame and then cover it and let it cook for some time till the chicken is tender. Now we'll cover it and see till the chicken becomes tender. Now we will open the cover and see how a chicken has become tender or not. See, the water has all dried up, but it should be little wet. Now, yes, the chicken is completely tender, done. Now we'll just little bit we see that it is dried up, and then we will add some cilantro and then serve in the plate. Now see, our ginger chicken is done. It looks delicious. Taste, you also prepared the ginger chicken in this way. I hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.